What's going on there, ladies and gentlemen of the YouTube generation and world? We out here in the shop this morning, Mongo's garage that is, to work on the Four Winds Horizon 200. Little slow start this morning, really not feeling the motivation, but we're out here nonetheless. Gonna try and get the rest of that floor up here this morning, and then once that's done and we get that mess cleaned up, I'm gonna go after getting that motor out of there. So stick around. I'm gonna do some video here this morning and see what we can get done. All right, 10 o'clock. Mongo Man working on the Horizon. Gonna try and get that little section out of there this morning. And then I guess I'll just go into foam removal mode. Okay, so that's a pretty big haul out of the boat. Got that side just about clean. Still got this side isn't too bad. Still a little bit up in the front there I gotta get out. 11:30, or close to it. I don't know if you can see the clock back there, but it's somewhere near there, quarter after. I've been going at it hard for about an hour and 15 minutes. Got the front just about all devoid of foam and started working on the back. I got that one right there just about completely empty. And like I said, the front is all good. I did a little bit of grinding just to see what was going on with this outer stringer. Yep, I believe that stringer is good. So it's just gonna be grinding to clean it up to where I can get to it again. But so right now it looks like we're just gonna be replacing the inner stringers, which does not hurt my feelings at all. And of course, rebuilding everything at the back of the boat, but that is what it is. All right, I got to jump out of here and get a new garbage bag, and then I'm going to keep on going. What's going on, YouTube? Saturday afternoon, quarter to 4, 20 to 4, something like that. Been out here for about 6 hours, and well, they say you got to set goals. Well, I did set some goals, but dear Lord, did I overachieve, huh? So I got all of the foam out and started vacuuming. Did a little bit of grinding just to see what that was going to be like. That's going to be all kinds of fun. But as you can see, most of the foam is out of it. Just, there's some cleanup that needs to be done yet. But for the most part, the next thing I think is going to end up being taking the fuel tank out of it. Once the fuel tank's out, then I'm going to go for the motor. Get it out of there, then I can take the rest of the foam out. The foam in the back of the boat needs to come out yet, as well as a little bit of floor. And then we'll see what the transom looks like. At this point, I've already reserved myself to the fact that the transom is going to be bad and that we will be replacing it. So you guys will get to see that as well. But yeah, I did set a big goal for today, trying to get, I wanted to get everything out of the boat, but that was unrealistic, I guess. I need to dial back on that a little bit. KJ was out mowing all day. He had to catch up on his pay jobs. Cheryl was running around trying to get things ready for Mother's Day. And now we're gonna get cleaned up and go down to the neighbors for a little seafood boil for a 40th birthday. So, all right, guys, glad you came along, and you're probably getting pretty tired of demo, but this will be, what, day 4, day 5? I don't know. We've owned the boat officially 1 week now, about 1 week and 4 hours. So I think we've come quite a long way in a week and 4 hours. All right. Probably won't do anything tomorrow. It's Mother's Day. We're going to be hanging out at Rodney's for Mother's Day. We're going to have some steak over there. We might end up, doing a little video. Lord only knows what we'll get into over there. All right, that's it. I'm out. I'm going to go take a shower. I'm itchy, and I want to get out of these wet clothes. Talk to you guys later. The Mongo Man is out.